Okay, so I want to show you how easy it is to use Edpuzzle and hopefully you'll fall in love with it just like I did. So first step is to go to your internet browser. I'm using Safari. It doesn't matter which one you're using, Chrome, Safari. And you'll go to edpuzzle.com. And I'm already logged in, but let's say I was logged out. So this is the screen that you'll get to, and you'll want to sign up for a free teacher account, which you should have done already, but you would just click Teacher Start Now, and it's really easy. It walks you right through it. I'll log myself in. I'm a teacher. I'll just log in through Google. Love that feature. Makes it so easy. I don't have to remember passwords. And here I am in my dashboard. So you can see that I'm already linked up to my Google Classroom. So they do work together. So if you have Google Classroom, this is a great pairing for you. So you can import any classes for Google Classroom. So let me see what I have in there. So most of mine are imported. I can just add this class right here, import. And now I have all of my classes on the left side of my dashboard. I have my assignments here. Looks like there's no assignments due soon. Upcoming, no upcoming. So if I want to create an assignment and I want to create a video, you can do this in multiple ways. So Edpuzzle itself has a huge library of videos that you are welcome to use. So you could do search. And they have some lessons right here. These are videos that other users have uploaded and shared, and some have questions. If you do use them, you can crop them, you can delete the questions, add additional questions, so they are still editable. If you don't see anything here in their library, then you pretty much can pull any video. So YouTube is a great resource. You could go to Khan Academy, and you can search your video here. So say I want to know how to make papyrus. I'm going to have my students create a how-to book. And I want them to work on their listening and speaking, which is why I love Edpuzzle. It's great for that listening and component that is now on the Common Core state test. So I like this video. I've looked at it before. You can see I've been in here. So this is the video I'm going to pull. So to get this video, I just need to copy the address, Command C, go back to Edpuzzle, and go up to the top, and I just paste the URL. So I'm just going to hit Command V, what I just copied. Go ahead and click the search or hit enter, and here is my video, and it's ready for me to crop, add my own audio track, make audio notes, and add in questions or quizzes. So to crop it, right now it's 7 minutes and 29 seconds. Say the ending has miscellaneous information. While great, it's not something your students need. You can go through and crop it. So say I want to just use 5 minutes of this video. I would just pull my scrubber bar to wherever I want. If you wanted something deleted from the beginning, say there's an ad or a commercial, you can go ahead and move your scrubber bar as well. So I know that I like everything at the beginning. Once you do make any croppings, you'll want to save it. And so now mine is 5 minutes instead of the original 7 minutes and 29 seconds. So now if I wanted to add an audio track, you could do that. The only problem is that it deletes the audio that's from the video for the whole thing. So you can't just add part of an audio track. So it depends. That's a great feature if you want to do the explaining. For me, for this particular video, I want the students to listen to a different source. They listen to me enough. You can add audio notes. So say I wanted to make a note here. I could say, go ahead and allow. So I could say, all right, students, you're going to watch this as many times as you need, and when you're done, you'll be creating your own How to Make Papyrus book. So please take note of the various steps. And so let's see what happens. It's thinking. You can see here, you can insert an introductory comment, a conclusion, a remark, you name it, throughout the video. If you want to do it at the beginning, in the middle, just to add your certain explanation, or if you feel like the video didn't explain it precisely, or at the end. So that's there for you to do. And then you can add quizzes. Looks like my audio is taking a while. Okay, so you can add quizzes throughout your video. So say halfway through, after they're watching it, you want to stop, or even if you just want to do it at the very beginning, as many times as you want, you would add a question. And you can add a short answer, multiple choice, or you can add a comment. So let's say we do multiple choice. It is important to let the papyrus strips dry for at least 3 days. And I'm just going to do a true or false. So the green check would be your correct answer, and then the X would be your incorrect answer. And then if this is a true multiple choice, you're welcome to add as many answers as you want. For this case, 2 is perfect. And so then I'll save it. And then you can add a question later on down the line. Maybe at the very end. I want to add another question. What are the uses of papyrus in ancient Egypt? I'll probably want to change that to past tense. What were the uses of papyrus in ancient Egypt? Save that. And we have our, go ahead and save again. I like to save often. And you can, again, add more questions, but if that's good enough, you can go ahead and finish your video. And if you have imported your classes to Google, you can go ahead and assign it right here to one of your classes. So I'll assign it to my, let's say I'm going to assign it to my Avid class. I can send it, and then I can post it. So this is great for those of you that have your Google Classroom and maybe you do a flipped classroom. This is one of the many uses of Edpuzzle. So if students know that it is their responsibility to check their Google Classroom, they can do that, and they can begin working on the assignment right away. So here I have assigned it. It's posted to my class, but let's just check it out. And ta-da, there it is. And this is how the students will view it. And you can see there's my note at the beginning, my 2 questions. It's 5 minutes long. And I have made an Edpuzzle in less than 10 minutes. And I have a lesson created for my class. So I hope you're already thinking of great ways that you can use Edpuzzle.